I'm replacing the radiator because of this right here. And here. And here. Yep. So it has to be replaced even though it's holding coolant. One day it could just give out. What is up, guys? So today we're going to be building and finishing up this 2007 Ford Fusion Hybrid. So we're probably just going to do one big time lapse for something because there's a lot of work to be done. But right there's the new radiator next to the old radiator. I'm going to start with the front end. The cameraman, just the cameraman, he's going to start with the CV axle. He's going to bolt it in and put it up against the hub and slide it in there. And then I'll do the rest of the suspension. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got the whole radiator assembly done. It's all hooked up and plugged in. It all looks good. This is the condenser. It's holding, this is the only damage done to it, but it's still holding AC. So let's just leave that. And then this right here is what my helper has done so far. So now we're gonna start the time lapse and I'm gonna do some of it and he's gonna do some of it. But yeah, let's just get to it. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to be working on the front end. My helper is going to be working on the suspension. So since we only have one camera, what we're going to do is I'm going to make it enough so you can see both of us working in our spots. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day right now. We just popped on this rotor and the rotor shield and this brake line. We still have to connect it over here at this end. But right now, my assistant is tightening up the bolts back there for the CV axle bracket. So yeah, we did a little bit of work off camera, but not too much, so let's start the time lapse. Alright guys, so we got the rotor. This is what a brand new rotor looks like, by the way, like primer on it and stuff. Then we have the caliper with its bolts. Got the brake line running throughout all the way up here, connected into there. And that's all we had left on this. Now this place is done. The only thing left is a little bracket back here for this wire, but that'll be in soon at the dealership. But yeah, that's it. Alright guys, and after many hours, I got something to show you. there it is on its all four wheels. Got it all looking nice. Looks great. Now for the final step. And now we're done. Looks great. Alright guys, so that's it for this build. It was a very fun journey. My first time doing suspension work. It was pretty great. But that's all for this video. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.